Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to download file auto after form submission based on drop-down value selected by user in contact form 7 in WordPress. Before starting work is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our form, contact form 7, and this is our drop-down value. Now you see option A, option B, we have two value. So when user select drop-down value and then click on submit, so we are going to download file auto based on user selection of drop down value. So download will start auto. Now go to form. So this is our form and this is our form ID. Now you see in URL, so this is our contact form 7 ID 6037. So we are going to use this form ID in our custom code, and then you see drop down, select, and then you see we edit ID drop down option. So you can add ID in drop down field or select field according to requirement, and then you see option A, option B. So this is our ID. So we are going to use this ID in custom code. So this is our format to add ID in select field. Now you see. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet. And then you see header and footer, so click on it. So we are using contact form 7 latest plugin. Now you see version 6.0.5 contact form 7. Back to header and footer. So we are going to add JavaScript code in footer section. Now paste, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our script code. Now you see, and then you see form ID contact form 7 ID 6037. Now you see in URL you can find your form ID, so you can add here, and then you see select ID, so you can add your drop down ID. Now go to form again. So we added ID colon drop down option. Now copy this back to custom code. Now paste here, so you can add your form ID. So you can add your drop down ID here, and then you see what download option A. So this is our value option A we added, and then you can add download URL. So we added PDF link. And then you see option A, option B. In option A, we added doc file link. In option B, we added PDF link. Now you see option A, option B. So same value added in custom code. So you can add more value. If you want to add more value, then copy as if and then paste here. Then add drop down value. Then add download URL. So it's up to you. So you can add multiple values. So when user select drop down value and click on submit button, then this file download start auto, and then we added some check if a valid URL is set. Now you see, and then click on save changes. So you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now save changes done. Go to form page again and refresh the page. So we are going to fill this form first. Now select option B. In option B we set PDF file. So click on submit. Now you see form submission done. You see message, and then you see file download auto start application of ICT course.pdf. Now cancel. Again fill the form. Now we select option A and then click on submit. On option A we added doc file link. Now you see file download start auto, form submission done, and then you see course outline application of ICT.docs. So in this way you can download file auto after form submission based on drop down value selected by user in contact form 7 in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.